Yo, you might have clicked on this video to learn on how to make an animation system. This is part 2 of the last time's video where I taught you guys how to use variables. First of all, let me show you guys an example of how to use animations in your games in a simple and easy way. First, we have animations like this where when the zombie dies, here, as you can see in this code where I have created this game, the zombie, when touching the bullets, it will change the zombie health by 1. If the zombie health is less than 1, it will pick a random sum from 1 to 3. Then it will change zombie waste this one by 1. But the code we are going to look at is this. This is a effect where it slowly vanishes. You know those cool effects where they try to dust and things. It's kind of like that. Like it'll repeat this 10 times. It will slowly vanish. Then it'll change size with it. Then it'll delete the clone because the zombies is the clone, so then you'll set brightness to that and whatever. But this is easy and simple to understand. This is a simple vanishing code for ghostly like things. I'll show you an example here. Oh, let me quickly open a new one. In a simple example, as you can see here, this thing, so to make it like slowly vanish in a weird way, we'll repeat this by 10. Then it will change like the ghostly effect. Where is it again? Oh no, I lost the ghostly. It will change size by -10. Oh sorry, -10. Then it should change, where is it now? It should change the, wait, I forgot what there was. Wait, okay guys, I kind of forgot, so I forgot how to code this part in. So you should also change the zombie. I'll also change the ghost effect. Oh yeah, I've not coded a scratch for a while, so I'm kind of rusty, guys, don't judge. Change the ghost effect. So change the ghost effect by 10. You should change it by 10 for 10 times, so 10. Then so we should make it repeat 10 times, and then we just add that in. First, then it will also change size by 10. It will only happen when we click on it, when the sprite is clicked, yes. But when we click the green flag, it will change its like change back to normal. So it will keep ghost effect back at ghost effect. No, there will no, let's keep this out for now. So when it's like this, when we click the sprite, it vanishes like that. But we need to bring it back, so we need to change the ghost effect by -100. So -100, so when you click the green flag, it comes back. Not just -100, we need to set size back to 100. So each time when we click it, it vanishes like this. It is an exploding kind of vanishing, where this is for like zombie shooter games where you kill things and where you want to make animations simple and easy. You can add these animations in like the death animations of different kinds of things, like where like when you're playing like a car shoot, like a zombie shooter game or any kind of fighting game, you can just add this code in, like when something health, when like the health of any kind of enemy you're creating is like less than that, then you should add this code. Then when this code happens, then it will do this. You can also do the opposite, where you do a -10, where you just, oh, I forgot to bring it back. -10 where you just, it just does that. It looks pretty funny, like when you get sucked by a black hole, but the ghostly effect turns to color effect and just that. That's a very simple way of animating. Like look, another example like that, simple. It looks like getting sucked in by something. You could make pretty cool things by that, like a what would be a good example of that? Like being sucked up by a black hole, anything most probably. So you can do the opposite for like a exploding kind of like thing, like boom, it explodes like that. But if I could teach you guys a more better way of doing this, it would be this. So for to make a cool, like weirdly, like what do you call it, real animation, it takes a bit more time. So you see, I'll use the cat sprite anyway. Then I'll first delete this, then I will create another sprite where I gotta draw it. So we first need to make like an explosion. I'm not good at drawing, so it'll be a bit rusty, but it first turn into this. Then we should first try this out. A bucket, fill that up. So this is the first part of the explosion, and then the second part we need to paint another one. Then the second part will be like this. So we'll go like this, and then we add the bucket to it. Oh yeah, I forgot to close it up. Then we add the bucket to it, so it's fully red. Then you also can add bits of details, like add orange, add yellow for like wait, oh no, too much yellow. Add like yellow, flipping god, bro. Add yellow like that for the more expert. You guys can take pictures out of the internet to make this, but for now we don't have enough time for that, so we gotta use what we gotta use, huh? Costume 1. So this is how it works. So next costume twice. So when you do this, like you can add this next costume to your advantage. So look, I do this, that, and now boom, like that. It's an animation skill. So now if we lower this down to like a 0.2, oh my god, it glitched, so it won't work, but you can see the vision. Boom, boom. So you can use this to your advantage. Like for example, I can add this to this. So I'll first make a bullet model. So paint in and make a small bullet model, to make a bullet model like this. And now this looks like, wait, this is going to be considered as atomic bombs. Let's quickly make it look a bit better than just a weird circle. So then we add another line here, and from this line to that line another line, then from this line to that line another line. Okay, undo that for a sec. Then from this to that it's going to be another line. So then we on oh yeah, I forgot you can't move those. So first we take from here to here a line, here from here a line, then we get the bucket, then we fill that up with black paint. Oh my god, bruh. You know what? Just keep it simple. I'll make it look like a shotgun bullet. As simple as that. And now we then have to rotate it a bit, and boom, done. So now in a simple animating series you could just first take out this. So now we'll make this event where like forever it'll always check it again and again. For a quick rule for you guys, if you don't add a forever to your if statements, then it will not work, because it will only check if once. So without the if statement, like I told you guys last vid, if you don't add the if statement to a thing, it will not completely work. So it is a simple animation. It is going to be a simple animation. I'm just going to quickly show you. So in sprite, if it's touching sprite 2, then it will show next costume. No, wait, not just this if statement, else it will, wait, else you need to have the if and else statement to make it there and not there at the same time. So we'll quickly add this to that. Then else it will see the normal costumes. So costume 1. Now look, a demonstration. So here when you click this, oh my god, I forgot to add the forever thing myself. So now we add the forever loop, then that's done. Now when you bring this closer, boom, oh nah, wait, what? It's touching sprite 2, man. Change the costume. What's wrong in this code? Oh yeah, when clicked. Now when you touch that, it, oh my god, when it's touching that, Wait. Oh yeah, it's touching this. Boom. But it's kind of glitchy with the if else statement. So if you just add it to the if statement as shown here, only to the if statement, then it should work perfectly, like boom. Oh yeah, what the boom. Oh, I kind of forgot to add one more part to that, and it is a wait again. So now quickly add a wait to that, and now it should just click here. Boom. So animations like that. Now until and unless I stop placing it there, it will not stop exploding again and again. But it is a very like simple way to understand how to animate the things. And now okay, let me show you another example. I will show you just for a bonus tip. I will show you a game I've created. This game for where I know you guys are here to do like copy our games and stuff. I know it's okay, no copyright, but if you guys want a good game, you guys can copy off this video. I will show you the code, and this is just a bonus for you guys watching this video. So the bonus is first, this is a finding Waldo game. I'll quickly show you the example. When you click this, then you need to find Waldo. It's pretty simple, maybe here, but if you mistakenly click the wrong place like this, then you lose health. But something's wrong. My wait, why's health bar not working? Ah, this is the wrong game. Let me quickly get the Waldo 2.0. Even better, yeah, I know, very good name. So now okay, it's loading up. It takes some time sometimes. Okay, this is Waldo part 2 where I created even a timer. So in this game you have a score and a timer, simple. And you click this, they need to find him. If you can't find him and mistakenly click something else, they lose health on the health bar. Very simple. I'll show you everything in this game so you can quickly copy it down. So first of all, this is the health bar, just costumes. What? Just same health again and again, the same bar again and again. So this is how it works. If it's 5 out of 5, this you need to make variables as well, like hearts, my hearts, score, and timer. So if hearts is this, then we switch to 1 full health, 4, and this is a simple copying. You can just quickly look at it and copy it. I'll give you time to look at it. Now for the costumes for this, also look at it and copy it. And now this is Waldo. It has 3 costumes for 3 ways you can change up, and this is the code he has. You can quickly copy. You can quickly look at it right now. Quickly, you can look at it. These codes here are for the different levels. Here are all the levels I've created. Each and here in this thing we have in the background we also have this where if the stage is clicked, like the background is clicked, it will change hearts by 1 and it will broadcast wrong. When it broadcasts wrong, and here if it's like, where is it now? There's a place where in the row here, where is it? Somewhere like when okay, so where is the broadcast? No one. Now I kind of lost it again. So when the backdrop broadcasts change has been on and broadcast no wrong. So when it broadcasts wrong, then when it says wrong, it will go here, and when it's wait, no, it goes somewhere and it changes it. Then here is everything. You guys can come. This is for like, these are all individual codes, so individual placements. These codes are all for different levels. So level 1, level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now in here you can Here you can add your own backdrops. I took these pictures from Google and added them. You can do the same, add the pictures, import them using this. So for each level you can copy these codes like this for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now this is the code for the now starting screen. Oh sorry, this is the code for the death screen. This is the code for the scoring screen. This is the when sprite click change backdrop screen. This is the preview screen thing. Okay, this is all the codes, and this is this thing. This is the code for the health bar, costumes for the health bar. This is the win bar costume. This is the you win thing, where if it sees the score being whatever many backgrounds you have created, it will play this, but when this is clicked, it will hide, and it will play the victory sound when you win. The victory sound you can add or leave behind, it's your choice. The button when the sprite is clicked will change it, and it'll start playing the Minecraft sound, but we're not gonna play that because of copyright. Then when it switches to blue sky, it will show the button. So when clicked, it will when clicked and forever. If the heart when clicked, this is for to stop the thing. So then there's also this one where it's the same thing literally. Then this is for the loose screen. If the hearts is less than 1 at the timer, that it will do all of this, but else it will show the variable and show the time. And this is the also now it's setting the timer. This is the timer for the timer, so this is just for the timer, and this is some extra code, you don't need to do this one. And that's all. But quickly need to find this. If this is this showing, if the score is less than 7, it will minus the timer by 1 until it is fully finished or the game is done. So this is all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in the next part of this scratch coding. Scratch coding. I'm Coders Delight, and peace out.